Is your ON device stuck on the connecting screen? Don't worry. Here's a quick fix to get it working like it should. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are tackling a common issue: ON setup stuck on connecting. Let's get it sorted in just a few easy steps. Method 1. Check the power source. If your ON device is stuck while connecting, start by checking the power setup. Make sure the device is plugged directly into a working wall outlet. Avoiding surge protectors or USB ports on your TV, which may not supply adequate power. Always use the original power adapter and cable that came with your ON device. If you are unsure about the outlet, try plugging the device into a different one to rule out any power issues. Method 2. Inspect the HDMI connection. Next, take a look at the HDMI connection between your ON device and the TV or monitor. Ensure the HDMI cable is securely plugged into both ends and that there is no looseness. Look for any visible damage on the cable like fraying or bending, and replace it if needed. You can also try connecting the ON device to a different display or to see if the issue persists. Method 3. Verify internet stability. A stable internet connection is crucial for ON devices to complete setup. Test your Wi-Fi by connecting another device and running a speed test at speedtest.net. If the connection seems slow or unstable, restart your router or modem. You can also reboot the ON device itself. If problems continue, consider contacting your internet service provider for further assistance. Method 4. Reduce signal interference. Physical obstructions or nearby electronics can interfere with your ON device's signal. Avoid placing it behind the TV or near devices like microwaves, cordless phones, or routers. Ideally, keep the device in open space and close it to your Wi-Fi router to improve connectivity. Method 5. Perform a factory reset. If the previous methods didn't work and you are still experiencing a black screen with no sound on your ON device, reset the device to its factory settings. Here is how to reset your ON device. Locate the small reset button, usually located near the HDMI port or on the back. With the device powered on, press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. While still holding the button, unplug the device from power. Continue holding for another 10 seconds. Plug the device back in while still holding the button. Release the button when the recovery menu appears. Use the reset button to scroll to Wipe Data and Factory Reset. Press and hold the button to select it. On the next screen, select Factory Data Reset again. Wait for the process to complete. Select Reboot System now. Once the device restarts, you will be taken to the setup screen. Follow the prompts to configure your ON again. Method 6. Contact ON support. If none of these methods work, reach out to ON support. Their experts can guide you through advanced troubleshooting or repair options. And that's it. Your ON device should now be up and running smoothly. If this helped, tap that like button and subscribe for more no-fuss tech solutions. Got a question or a tip? Drop it in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.